Hi everyone, this video is to explain this type of multi-step problem. So let's start by reading it. David made a rectangular sign that has a perimeter of 28 inches. Which measurement could represent the sign David made? So this one is similar to our multi-step perimeter part 1, but this time they don't give us the pictures. We have to draw our own. So let's go ahead and get started. So I recognize they're all going to be some type of rectangle, and it gives me that my perimeter is 28 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do is write on the top of my paper, perimeter equals 28 IN for inches. And I'm going to solve for every single answer choice to see which one gives me 28 inches. Start with A. I recognize that it says 7 by 7 is the same number for my length and my width, so I know it's a square. A square has 4 equal sides. So again, same number, that means it's a square. So I have 7 inches all around. I know perimeter of a square equals 4 times the side. So that means 7 times 4, or 4 times 7. I know 7 times 4 equals 28. So the perimeter for A is 28 inches. That is the perimeter I am looking for. So I'm going to put a star right here. I think A is probably the answer, but I'm going to prove it. For B, I have 7 by 4 inches. So I know that's a rectangle. It has 2 different dimensions. My length is 7 inches. My width is 4 inches. I know perimeter of a rectangle equals length plus width plus length plus width, and I got that from my star reference sheet. So I know I have to add 7 plus 7, which is 14, 4 plus 4, which is 8, and then I have to add those together. I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, carry my 1 and a 2. So the perimeter of B is 22 inches. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 28 inches. Let's try for C. I notice C says 14 by 14. Again, I have the same length and width, so I know that this is a square. All 4 sides are the same. Again, for a square, I could have added 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14. Just like in A, I could have done all the 7s. Or I could do P, perimeter equals 4 times side, meaning 4 times 14. I'm going to go ahead and do that because it takes a little bit less time. I know 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So the perimeter of C is 56 inches. Again, that is not what I'm looking for. It's way too big. Move on to D. 28 by 2 inches. There's 2 different lengths and widths, so I know it's a rectangle. 28 inches, 2 inches on the width. If the top is 28, the bottom length is 28. If the left side is 2 inches, the right width is 2 inches. Again, perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. Add up all 4 of my sides. I have 28 plus 28. I know 8 plus 8 is 16. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. If I add them up, this is 60 inches, which is again too big. So the only rectangle that gave me 28 inches as the perimeter was A.